2012 Toyota Corolla LE, just turned 70,000 miles. Perfect Carfax report, in wonderful condition, not a door ding on this thing. All original, no accidents, Carfax certified, perfect car for student, needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically, new tires and brakes. Very, very clean. You will not find a door ding on this thing. Gray cloth interior is perfect. Original mats, all keys, manuals. $70,000 miles. Everything works. Power mirrors, locks. Brand new tires. (2012) Toyota Corolla LE with 70,000 miles in amazing condition.